There are names in the automotive world that don't need an introduction. They demand respect. And today, we're looking at one of them. This is the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro Z/28, a modern interpretation of Chevrolet's most uncompromising performance Camaro. Not built for comfort, not built for trends, built for speed, control, and dominance. Let's break down this machine from front to rear. Step inside the cockpit and talk about what's likely powering this beast and when you can expect to see it hit the streets. Starting at the front, the 2026 Camaro Z/28 immediately communicates one thing. This car means business. The low, wide stance is unmistakable. The aggressive front fascia is defined by a deep, squared-off grille finished in gloss black, proudly wearing the Z/28 badge, a subtle but powerful statement. Circular LED headlights retain a nod to classic Camaro heritage, but the execution is thoroughly modern. Below them, the sculpted lower bumper integrates large air intakes and functional aero elements, clearly designed to channel airflow for cooling and downforce rather than aesthetics alone. The hood is the real centerpiece here, bold, muscular, and purpose-built. The raised center section with integrated heat extraction hints at serious hardware underneath, while the subtle red accent line adds just enough motorsport flair without crossing into excess. This is track-first design, plain and simple. From the side, the Camaro Z/28 looks brutally planted. The long hood, short rear deck, and wide rear haunches create a classic muscle car silhouette, but sharpened for the modern era. The body sits low over large black multi-spoke wheels, revealing massive red performance brake calipers that scream track readiness. The side skirts are sculpted and functional, visually lowering the car even further while managing airflow along the body. Subtle Z/28 badging on the fenders reinforces exclusivity without overbranding. This profile perfectly balances old-school Camaro aggression with modern performance engineering. At the rear, the Camaro Z/28 finishes strong and aggressive. Slim, horizontally oriented LED taillights modernize the iconic Camaro rear look while maintaining visual width. A prominent rear spoiler sits confidently atop the trunk, clearly designed for real aerodynamic benefit at high speeds. Down low, a muscular rear diffuser frames a quad exhaust setup, signaling serious performance intent. This is not decorative. This is hardware meant to move air, reduce lift, and amplify sound. The rear stance is wide, low, and unapologetically aggressive. Exactly what a Z/28 should be. Step inside, and the philosophy remains unchanged. The driver comes first. The cockpit blends modern technology with motorsport inspiration. The steering wheel features a flat-bottom design with a bold Z/28 emblem front and center, putting performance identity directly in the driver's hands. The digital instrument cluster is clean, legible, and performance-focused, while the central infotainment screen integrates Z/28 specific graphics and drive modes. Physical controls remain for key functions, because when you're driving hard, touchscreens alone don't cut it. Premium materials, contrast stitching, and subtle red accent lighting elevate the cabin without sacrificing its purposeful nature. Supportive sports seats suggest this interior was designed for long, aggressive driving sessions, not just short city cruises. While official specifications haven't been confirmed, everything about this car suggests a naturally aspirated V8, true to Z/28 heritage. Expect a high-revving, track-tuned power plant delivering well over 500 horsepower, paired with either a performance-focused manual transmission or a lightning-fast automatic. Weight reduction, chassis stiffening, adaptive suspension, and carbon ceramic braking options are all likely part of the package. This isn't about straight-line drag races. This Z/28 is engineered for lap times, balance, and driver engagement. Based on its positioning and exclusivity, the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro Z/28 is expected to sit in the $85,000 to $95,000 range, depending on configuration and performance options. A limited production run is likely, with an official reveal and launch expected in late 2025 or early 2026. The 2026 Camaro Z/28 doesn't try to please everyone, and that's exactly the point. It's loud, it's focused, it's unapologetically built for drivers who value feel over filters. If this truly represents the future of the Z/28 nameplate, Chevrolet hasn't just revived a legend, they've redefined it. Let us know what you think. Would you choose this over modern European performance cars? And is the Z/28 still the ultimate Camaro? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more deep dive automotive content.